Hello guys, magandang araw sa inyong lahat and welcome back to my channel. Thank you nga pala sa mga subscribers ko na patuloy na sumusuporta.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Lagot. Pero okay na. And nga pala, thank you by the way sa mga subscribers ko na patuloy na sumusuporta and also sa mga bagong subscribers dyan. Thank you talaga. Shoutout nga pala kay Miguel Andaya na patuloy na nag-share ng video sa Facebook, including JP Bravo na grabe mag-comment.
Tumabali na ako. Oh my God.
And so today, mag-review tayo ngayon ng tripod na nabili ko. Papakita ko sa inyo yung functionality ng tripod because as far as I know, it's a multi-function tripod. Pangalawa is iti-check natin kung matibay ba talaga itong tripod na to. And pangatlo is kung cost-effective ba talaga siya. And samahan niyo na ako mag-review. Tara! Yung Huawei Honor tripod na may 2-in-1 function na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, which is suitable for both videography and photography. Meron din siyang 3 components. First one is yung clamp niya. Ay merong rubber grip to hold the mobile phone in place. Supported din siya ng joint clips capable of 360-degree rotation. Sa nakikita nyo para ma-establish na yung directional shooting. Maganda din to siya for selfies, vlogging, and time-lapse. Second niya is yung body na may non-slip rubber with Bluetooth deck na may parang grove clip to hold the device in place. Third one niya is yung convertible grip from monopod to tripod mode. Legs niya nga pala guys ay merong foot pads for support, hindi siya mabilis mag-slide. And yung rod niya can extend to 3 feet long, made of aluminum alloy for durability. Ipapakita ko ngayon yung functionality ng accessory nito. Watch this. Kick.
Everybody shake it, baby.
Lastly nga pala is how to connect the device Bluetooth to your mobile phone. So open your Bluetooth mobile and then press the Bluetooth device for 5 seconds. Once it shows a screen, click OK. And then once pair siya, click OK and you're done. You're good to go. And so dito na party papakita ko yung stress test for this particular device. The first one is yung hand press. Check nyo. Very sturdy yung device talaga. And once you grab and go, magki-clip yung 3 legs niya. Next one is hammer. Tingnan natin kung matatanggal ba yung phone. Oop! Grabe, hindi talaga. Very good. So yun nga guys, no, yung accessory specification ng Huawei Honor tripod. And right now, i-check natin siya when it comes with photography and videography. So watch this. Okay, so that's actually a wrap. And yung last pala is kung magkano siya. Well, bili ko siya actually sa Shopee and the amount is roughly nasa 800 plus lang. nag 40% discount yata sila or nag 50%. So ito yun. Check nyo. Yan, ang mura lang, di ba? Overall package ng accessory na to by Huawei and including its functionality, affordable siya. And yung device mismo is very compact, very lightweight, madadala nyo siya kahit saan, travels, events or something like that. Kung palang mga nagtatanong sa akin kung ano yung camera kong ginagamit, so sa totoo lang, yung gamit ko is my own personal mobile phone, which is the Huawei Mate 10. Meron niya is naka-set up na ganitong settings para ma-set up nyo sa cellphone nyo mismo. And thank you by the way for your time watching the video. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Also, para ma-check nyo yung mga future videos ko. Goodbye!